It's really, really important at this time of the year, September, to keep things flowering. The way that we keep things flowering in our garden, and this is our garden in mid-September, is that we keep deadheading. So it's really important that you deadhead your flowers. So how do you know which one is a bud and which one has gone over? So I'm just going to show you that. So if we have a look on this dahlia here, this is a dahlia called Cafe au lait rose. That is a bud. So it's a rounded shaped bud. Have a look, it's very easy to see because of the size of it. If we move across, you can see that these are still all buds. But I'm going to go to a dahlia that has a mix of buds and non-buds. So this pointed one here, and you can see it is not round, it's got a very pointed end, has actually gone over. So that has to come off. So it has to come completely off and removed. So here's another one. What do we think of this one? Right, that is not round, pointy end, that's coming off. This one is round, so that's staying. That is a bud that is yet to open. That is a bud that is yet to open. So you need to go around and look for the ones that have gone over. So here's another one, pointy end, that's coming off. Obviously it's much easier to do it when the flower's like this. So that comes off, but it's very difficult sometimes, and sometimes it's gone over before you really realise that you need to do it.